Guys, welcome to our channel News Meto. Please like, share, subscribe and do not forget to press the bell icon so you will get the daily updates of our channel. Today's news headlines are: Era of expansionism over PM warning to China on Ladakh visit. Boundary Row Modi says India want peace from a position of strength. Enemies have seen fire and fury of our forces. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday declared that era of expansionism is over, sending a strong signal to China about India's determination to defend its border on a surprise unscheduled visit to Ladakh, the theater of tension between the neighbors. In a speech of the troops relayed live on television, the Prime Minister asserted that India has always wanted peace, but the peace will come from strength, and paid glowing tributes to the bravery and courage of soldiers in the front lines of the standoff at the line of actual control, with a particular reference to those who laid down their lives in the Galwan Valley clash on June 15. Tamil Nadu case tally hits 1 lakh. Chennai, Tamil Nadu on Friday became the second state in India to cross the grim milestone of 1 lakh cases, with total of 1,721 people affected with the COVID-19 in the state, where 5 districts include Chennai are under an intense lockdown to prevent the spread of the virus. However, its high case load must be seen in relation to another important figure. Its testing number as of Friday, a total of 1.27 million people have been tested in 91 testing facilities, the highest in the country. Experts says that high infection number can also be attributed to the movement of people post Unlock 1, which started on June 8. Health Department officials said that the state focuses is reduce its facilities. The state has a fertility rate of 1.3%, which is lower than the national average of 2.9%. Experts agree Tamil Nadu was able to scale up testing owing to reboost public health infrastructure that had been in the making since the AIDS epidemic. ICMR sets August 15 vaccine deadline. Expert skeptical, cautions about timeline. ICMR in its letter to trial centers identified August 15 for completion of clinical trial. This had led expert to ask what is the purpose of the 15th August deadline: production approval, determining its efficacy, or checking for vaccine potential. How has deadline data from clinical trials not been made available yet? How will processes that require weeks of observation be collapsed into days? How will approval from ethics committee, which can take weeks, be obtained such a short window? How will generation entry and analysis of data be done in this time period, since trial have not been begun yet? India topmost medical research body ICMR said on Friday that it is attempting to launch the world's first COVID-19 vaccine on August 15, triggering disbelief among scientists who say the purpose requires painstaking trials and analysis and cannot reliably be completed in the 6 weeks that remain for the deadline.